Hi, and welcome to the Standard Life and Accident Podcast. Today, we want to discuss our critical illness insurance product and what agents need to know to be successful in today's market. What many people don't know is that even if they have primary health insurance, it may not be as comprehensive as they think. That means that there could be many expenses that may not be covered under their plan if they need to be treated for a critical illness.
That's right, Joe. Well, the good news is that the survival rate for critical illnesses is up in the U.S. Many patients are left with enormous medical bills. Then there are the other questions of quality of life that have to be considered during treatment. Things like making sure other bills, such as the mortgage and car payments, are paid if a person has to take an unpaid leave of absence from work.
So is this where critical illness insurance from Standard Life and Accident comes in?
Well, yes. Indeed, this is where having a supplemental plan for critical illness makes a big difference. First of all, it pays a cash lump sum immediately upon the diagnosis of a critical illness. Second, it pays that money in addition to any other insurance a patient might have.
What can those benefits be used for then?
Any number of things, including coinsurance and deductibles from other plans. Important necessities like mortgage, rent, and car payments, plus day-to-day living expenses. Also things such as home modifications for those who may need it for recovery, specialist fees, and many treatment-related expenses that other plans don't cover, like parking, food, gas, and even hotel stays and pet boarding.
Can you give me an example of the plan in action?
Sure. Take Ina Allen, a 50-year-old who purchased a Standard Life and Accident critical illness with a $15,000 initial benefit amount, plus a $1,000 mortgage protection rider. Sometime later, Ina suffered a heart attack. She was immediately paid a lump sum of $15,000, plus a lump sum that was equal to 6 months of premium for an additional $149.70. And because she was disabled for close to 4 months and had purchased the mortgage protection rider, she received a monthly benefit of $1,000 for each full 30-day period she was disabled after the initial 30 days, which came to 3 months. That's 3 times $1,000. So Ina was paid another $3,000 to help pay the mortgage. She received $18,149.70 in benefits, and then 20 months later suffered a second heart attack.
Did the policy cover the additional medical expenses?
Well, because of the recurrence feature of her policy, she actually received an additional lump sum of $3,750. In all, Ina received a total of $21,899.70 in benefits.
Wow, that's really impressive. And I bet having a policy like this also buys clients peace of mind.
Absolutely. Consider this. A Harvard study finds that 62% of all personal bankruptcies in the U.S. in 2007 were due to illness and medical bills. So having critical illness coverage can help patients rest assured that a good portion of their bills and medical expenses will be paid. And having that kind of peace of mind is also an important part of the recovery process.
What should agents know about Standard Life and Accident critical illness insurance?
It's important for agents to note that our policies are unique, as they include a multiple benefits feature, recurrence benefits, and an optional mortgage protection rider.
What about stipulations, exclusions, things like that?
Agents who have questions about categories, who qualifies, what is excluded, any questions about our policies, can contact Standard Life and Accident at 800-514-2080 if they want to speak to us.
And one last question. How does an agent determine if critical illness insurance is right for their clients?
Actually, this is a product that works for almost everyone. Those with families need to make sure that surviving a critical illness doesn't destroy their plans for the future and financial stability. Single individuals usually don't have anyone to help with recovery, so there are additional costs to hire someone to cook, clean, shop, things like that.
Well, that sounds important. So, again, remind agents how they can contact you.
Agents can contact Standard Life and Accident at 800-514-2080 if they want to speak to any one of our knowledgeable marketing representatives who are there to offer personalized care and to answer any questions agents might have.
Thanks, Kate. I think agents will find this information extremely helpful. Again, agents, remember that at Standard Life, we have a friendly and highly trained staff of marketing representatives. So you get to talk to a real person who offers you customized service whenever you need it. Thanks for listening. This material is designed to provide general information about products offered by Standard Life and Accident Insurance Company. It is not intended to be a solicitation, an offer to sell, or guarantee of coverage. Products are not available in every state and are subject to additional limitations or exclusions.